Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your Google Chrome location, like the country of your search results. You may have the right city, but your search results are in Spain, etc. So to change that, all you need to do is go up to your search bar. Once you have Google Chrome open, type in google.com, do a slash, and type in references. And then hit enter. So once you've got your Google Chrome preferences open, you're going to want to go to other settings, and under other settings you've got dark theme, you've got all these other ones, but what you're looking for is language. So under language and region, you're going to click on that, and your issue is going to be right here under results, language, and region. So results, region, right, mine says current region, but you're going to want to click on that, and then over here you can type in what country you want. So for me, I have United States. So confirm, and that will fix your problem. I hope this video helps you. Have a good day. Bye.